This is the Always Infinity FlexFoam pads, and you get 96 of them. You get 3 boxes of 32 pads each, and these are my best favorite pads that I like. For one thing, they keep you dry and they're highly absorbent. Let me show you a close-up of what they look like. Here's a close-up of the pads, and it comes in this cover. Now this is size 2, but they have other sizes as well. And all you have to do is open it up just like this. And it also has wings, so you would take this off and then wrap it around your underwear. Now, if you look closely at it, it is highly absorbent and very soft as well, and it keeps you dry. It pulls in the moisture. So I really like that. And the nice thing is, after you're done using it, you can use this cover to put it back and wrap it up, and then close it with the tab, and then throw it into the trash. Perfect. I like using these menstrual pads because they have wings and they protect your underwear. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.